audio from my camera, from my lav microphone to the SL600. Let's have a look. So now you're listening on the SL600 microphone. The audio should be much clearer, much crisp, and you can hear my voice. It's much louder. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I never know how to start the video. What's up, you guys? Welcome back, you guys. Let me know in the comments how I'm gonna start the video. I never know. So today we're gonna have a look at another microphone, USB microphone, SL600 from EditoresKeys. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up the microphone. I'll be going through the specs of the microphone. I'll be doing a video test. I'll be comparing the microphones. Although I think this one is a bit better. It's a different microphone. It's not comparable probably. This is a 250 pounds microphone and this is a 100 pounds microphone. So it's not the same, but just to guys know, I'll give you the little test comparison of the sound so you guys can see the different in sounds. During this video, I'm using my lav microphone here, as you guys can see through my camera. In a while, I will change to the EditoresKeys microphone so you guys can feel the sound. Let's do a quick unboxing to see what's inside of the box. So guys, the EditoresKeys microphone will come on this quite large box, as you guys can see. Let's take this. I'm probably going to be using this box for something else, not to carry the microphone, because so when you buy one of those microphones, is to set it up on your desk where you got your computer, and that's it. We never move it around again. I appreciate that they send this on a big box. It's a nice box, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. And why not using a smaller box, a different box, and I don't know, put the stand here. I don't know. Here we go. It comes with the specifications of the microphone and everything. Cool. USB cable. Quite a nice USB cable. Is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is so long. Nice one. It comes with a shot mount. Well done. So you can mount the microphone on a boom, for example. I'll go through this in a minute, and I'll be mounting this one on my boom arm, and they kindly send us a stand as well, a microphone stand. I'll show you guys in a minute. And here is the microphone. One thing I can say is a beauty. We will see if it works properly or not, but first impressions, I like it a lot. I like the orange bit. I don't know if you guys like the orange bit, but I do like the orange bit. It will turn blue inside when we turn it on. I'll show you guys in a minute. So as you guys can see, let's take the box away. Sorry for the noises. And now I'm gonna show you the desk stand. It comes on this box. It is not part of the price, so the microphone have a price and the stand have another price. I'll go to the prices in a minute. It is a lovely stand. Here we go. I'll be using this stand quite a lot. Like when you're doing voiceovers, so you're going to need your microphone to be close to you. So let's go quick one here. And so you guys can see. And you guys can see, you can look or the other way so you guys can see it. Here we go. But I'll go through this in a minute with you guys so you guys can see. It's a nice stand. So the microphone comes without the stand, so it will come with a shock mount here, this one here. So you can mount the microphone here, for example, and with the boom, like with the arm, you can speak like that. For example, let's let you know how to do it. I'll do it in a minute. Hang on. Let's move the stand away from here for now, and let's put it here quickly. As you guys can see, it's so easy to the other microphone just fell on the floor. Move on. So as you guys can see, it's so easy to set up, and let me see, and let's plug in. And so for example, you guys can use the microphone like that, because it will come just with a shock mount without the stand. EditoresKeys, they send the stand to me. Thank you guys, and I will show you with a stand. But as you guys can see, if you buy the microphone, it's going to be the microphone and the shock mount only. But if you buy a cheap arm, you can do it like that and all sorted. To be fair, I do prefer this solution instead of the mount of the desk mount. I think probably the desk mount would be okay if you are doing voiceovers. Well, you're not filming, then you're filming, and then you're going to do a voiceover. You can use the desk mount. But if you are filming, let's take this away from the camera. But if you are filming, like I'm now at the moment, I think it's much better like that. It's much clear shot, and you can talk, and you have the microphone here. Or you can put it up, down, or out of the shot. So yeah, let's move on and let's talk about the specs of the microphone. So as you can see, you have loads of switches. You have the headphone control, the gain control, low pass filter switch to block the noises, -10 dB loud recording, so you have to use that one as well. It's all full of metal, well built, feels strong, and on the bottom we have the headphone input, so you can monitor your audio and you can switch it on the switch control. So this microphone is quite easy to install. You just have your USB, plug in your USB on your computer, and that's it. It's automatic and it's ready to go. So now I'm going to switch from the audio from my camera, from my lav microphone, to the SL600. Let's have a look. So now you're listening on the SL600 microphone. The audio should be much clear, much crisp, and you can hear my voice. It's much louder, just because it's all the noises around are gone, and it's just my voice. My mouth is quite close to the microphone. Now I'm going to do another test. I'm going to move away from the microphone. And let me know if you guys can hear me still, and we're gonna see the difference in sounds. Right, back here again, and another test. I'm gonna be using my keyboard and see if we get the sound from the keyboard. Right guys, so yeah, it's simple to use. With this mount, it's quite nice if you are doing a voiceover, or if you're doing a podcast, you're using the microphone like that. So now I'm going to switch from this one to the other one that fell on the floor. So I'm going to switch to this one here, so you guys can see the difference in sounds. So now I'm using the JLab USB microphone, and guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is the different? So this one is a £250 microphone. This one is a £100 microphone. Any difference between them? Let me know in the comments. Let's switch back to the Editor's Key microphone. Like always, guys, I'll put the links down below for you guys to check this microphone. Also, I'll put the link to the YouTube channel, because the Editor's Key have a YouTube channel where they talk about the microphone, the stands, and a lot of things they do on the Editor's Key. In the end, guys, this is a nice microphone. It's beautiful, and I think the sound is amazing. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you like this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's all for today. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next review.